At this point, we'll shift to the kind of the next segment of today's activity. I'd like to introduce Dr. Carlos Rodriguez Franco. Dr. Franco is a senior forester at the USDA Forest Service. I've had the pleasure of working with Dr. Franco for the last 2 years on the Forest Service activities with regard to biochar. I have to thank the U.S. Forest Service for their support to the U.S. Biochar Initiative for education and outreach, and also for demonstration. The Forest Service has been funding a number of our activities. Dr. Franco has a great background in wood and forest research, first in Mexico at the National Institute of Forestry, Agriculture, and Animal Husbandry, NFAP, for 25 years. He was the former director of research. He's been in the United States as a senior forester, former deputy chief for research and development from 2006 to 2018. And thankfully, he's been concentrating for the last several months on biochar. And we've been getting the word out about biochar to the Forest Service community and also to the agricultural community with his help. Carlos, the program is yours.
Thank you. I'm going to start to thanking my speakers today who are going to speak about USDA agency biochar actions. This is not all the actions that USDA is taking on biochar. We have the BioPrefer program, which also certifying bio-based products. And this is mostly biochar applications in gardening and other agricultural applications. NRCS has several conservation practices, two of them. We are going to speak about one today. And in Forest Service, we have the Wood Innovations Grants Program, which promotes different innovations of wood use in order to have a better forest management and use wood that has low value. So we will hear about that. And also we are going to speak about rural development actions in biochar. I have the pleasure to introduce today Dr. Brandon Smith. He works with NRCS, the Natural Resource Conservation Service. He is the Northeastern Region Team Leader for Soil Health Division. He provides leadership on soil health, planning to natural resource conservation service programs to other Northeast NRCS staff, external partners, and producers in the region. He led a team to create the new interim practice standard for soil carbon amendment 808 that recently was adopted in 20 states. Kevin Naranjo. Kevin is the Wood Innovation Lead in US Forest Service Washington Office for Cooperative Forestry. He works with universities and also with other deputy areas in Forest Service and with the stakeholders in order to promote markets for mass timber and other products that are coming from wood innovations like nanotechnology and biochar. He has long experience in leadership management, and he has a bachelor in mechanical engineering and a master's degree in environmental management for American Public University. And then Fred Petok, he is a business loan and grant analyst with Business Development Division Public Private Partnerships branch in Rural Business Cooperative Service at USDA. He has extensive experience with energy technology used in the Rural Energy for American program. He also has been actively involved with the Biodiesel Education Grant Program, the Biogas Working Group, and he is the USDA Program Manager for Biogas Projects reviewed through the EPS Ag Star program. Fred also works with the National Renewable Energy Laboratory negotiating contacts, and managing renewable technology reviews. She has several certifications from the Association of Energy Engineers, including carbon reduction management, and is a certified energy manager. She represents rural development in the USDA Climate Change Office and the Office of Energy and Environmental Policy. And he is interested in efforts to sequester carbon dioxide, lowering carbon intensity in fuels, and renewable fuel incentives. I really thank my speakers today. They will have 20 minutes for presentation each one, and then we will join all together to answer questions.